Welcome to DD Garden TV. In this video, we'll look at how we can revive our cucumbers, which start dying towards the end of the season. For the rejuvenation fertilization, which we also mentioned in the video of making fertilizer from whey, which should be done towards the end of the season, we will use the nutrients from the fertilizer sorbet, as well as the potassium we will obtain from ash, the phosphorus from rock phosphate, the benefits of whey to the mixture and rock salt. We will explain in detail why we will use rock salt in the following parts of the video. Cucumbers, often unlike other seedlings, die faster. In fact, this is due to some nutritional errors and lack of precautions against diseases. Cucumber seedlings, which enter the season quickly, usually die faster. To eliminate this situation and rejuvenate it again towards the end of the season, we need to switch to a different fertilization program. This fertilizer, the sorbet we will make in barn manure, will be our main driving force, but do not ignore the benefits of others. Phosphate can dissolve in water if taken in synthetic form, but rock phosphate does not dissolve much in water as it is in nature. Therefore, mixing the rock phosphate that we put in the water, the whey and the microbial fertilizer that we have already made, and waiting for a while, is of great benefit in dissolving phosphorus and calcium. Let the details of how to do this be the subject of another video. If you say you can't try too hard, you can also solve it with acid. Even if you use basilus megaterium, it becomes a much more useful ingredient. We will need about 500 milliliters of rock phosphate and whey powder mixture. We will put them in about 15 liters of water, on top of which it will be necessary to add 1 liter of ash broth, 1.5 liters of manure sorbet and 1 tablespoon of rock salt. Now let's look at how rock salt will benefit us and the terms of use. First of all, when applied together with liquid fertilizer, the sodium that will be mixed with a small amount of soil in the rock salt allows the substances in the contents to be taken up by the plant faster. This means that it quickly affects our cucumber, which oscillates between life and death. But at the beginning of the season, definitely do not put rock salt in the soil. The excessive sodium in the soil leads to a disruption of the complex balance in the soil. However, a tablespoon of rock salt, which we will put at the end of the season, does not affect the overall structure. We mix all of these ingredients in 15 liters of water and irrigate so that 1 liter per root is reached. Do not forget to irrigate with some clean water before fertilizer application and use our liquid mixture after this water is drawn by the soil. See you in another videos. We wish everyone beautiful gardens.